Hi, and welcome to another Type with Me. In today's video, I want to talk about improve your readability with TS pattern. So pattern matching is a code branching technique coming from functional programming languages that's more powerful and often less verbose than imperative alternatives, the if-else switches of this world. And especially for complex conditions, this can really be an improvement. So TS pattern is the exhaustive pattern matching library for TypeScript with smart type inference. So let me show you how this works within an IDE. So imagine you have something like this. You have a return status, success, and upon that you want to run something and evaluate something, right? So you can do run index.ts. And we get operation was successful. So with TS pattern, you can do it like this. We have here a const status success, and we say const message match status with success. We return operation was successful. With error, we say there was an error. And so if I run this, you'll see operation was successful. If we do now error, we get back there was an error. So better way of matching actually and driving it into the right return statement. So imagine we have something like this API response where we have a status code that is returning. We have data user ID 1 and name Joris. So here we say API response.status equals to 100. API response.data.user.name equals Joris. And then we have username equals hello Joris, or username user not found. If we run this, we get hello Joris. Also here we have a TS pattern alternative for, so we have our API response where we have name Joris, and then here username API response.with status 200 data user name Joris, then hello Joris. So we can really point out how our structure of our API response needs to be, and then regarding to that we can very easily route it to the right part, right? So also otherwise user not found. So if we execute this, we get hello Joris. What we could do as well is, for example, change this to ID, and then here we change this to 1. That's another part that could be done, and then we get also hello Joris. So another use case could be state management. So in this regards, we have an app state, and then we listen to it, and according to that, we do a display message, right? If we run this, we get loading. So here we have a lot of case and break statements, which is maybe a little bit cumbersome. So we can very easily write this with TS pattern. We do it like this actually. So here we have our app state, status loading, and with loading we display loading. If we want success, we can do success, for example. So again, you can change this to error. I'm not going for success for now, so fail to load data, but you could also very easily do success here. Here we go, save it and run it. Data loaded successfully. So I think it makes your code better to read, right? You just match with loading, and then you return something that is interesting for that. And then here in display message, you get what you want, right? And if nothing is here, you can do dot otherwise and you get an unknown state. So like you can see, TS pattern really helps with readability, with eliminating boilerplate code, and with a very nice API, in my opinion. So check it out, try it out, play around with it, and let me know what you think about this TypeScript package. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Thank you very much.